All right, so here we have a 1994 Chevy Suburban. What we're going to be doing today is the door roller pins. We're going to be getting rid of that noise right there. The roll pin is what keeps the door checked open so it doesn't close on you. All right. All right, so we're going to be working down here in the hinge area. All right, so to do the door roll pin, we have to remove the spring. So this is a door spring tool. There'll be a link in the description that we got it off Amazon. Kind of shows a little pictorial of what we're going to do. So we basically just grab the spring and then tighten up a nut on it, and then that will collapse the spring to get it out. All right, so we used the tool to collapse our door spring. All right, so now we have the top of this roll pin. You can see where the bottom is broken there and bent off to the side. To get this out, we have to remove this pin, and there it has like a factory pinch. So we're going to do this one of two ways. I'm going to try to use a Sawzall to get in there and try to cut the head off so that we can get it out. The other side, depending on how it goes, I do have an air hammer that I can use as a chisel to chisel the top of it off. But first we'll try the Sawzall. We're going to try to use a 1/4 inch extension here. All right. And there we have our roll pin. That's where it's bent down here. Okay, so here we have a new roll pin that we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. All right, so it's got a little C-clip on the top. All right, so it looks like we're going to have to bring it up this way. All right, so being that we're having so much trouble here trying to get this knurl to go inside of this hole, I just kind of found its placement, and I took a little bit because we want to have the C-clip grab the top. So I just took a little bit, so I'm not quite the thickness of the bottom of the hinge there. But I just ground down a little bit so you can still kind of see a little bit of spline, but just to clearance it because we weren't having any luck pressing it in. All right, so now we want to put our C-clip back in. All right, now we want to put our door spring back on. All right, so we got to just tighten it up because it was bent. So we just need to add a little bit more pressure. All right, so I'm going to reposition this. All right, so we have our open, our half open. All right, so we don't have any of that noise anymore. Our door stays open. Our half open. All right, now we're ready to go do the other side.